Welcome back to Beauty Foods 101. Today we are going to go with a bunch of green fruits and veggies and make a green goddess blender. You're going to need 1 lime, 2 kiwi fruits, 1.5 cups of ice, 2 cups spinach, 1 cup of good water, and sweetener to taste. We used about 2 tablespoons. While you watch and learn how to make this, go ahead and read about 7 beauty benefits of this amazing drink. And here you have a crisp, bright, green, icy, frothy drink that you can have for breakfast or any meal of the day. And it's delicious.